Hello my friend, and welcome back to Survival Superhero. Now this right here is the brand new WP30 Pro from Oukitel. It is a brand new 5G dual screen rugged smartphone with a large battery and 120 watt super fast charging. Plus it's also got night vision, and I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know about this phone in this video. Now I will leave a link in the description and the pinned comment below if you want to check it out or if you want to purchase one. Now let's get straight into this video. So first, let's see what all comes in the box. It comes with a 120 watt charger and a charging cable. It's got a user manual and a warranty card. Now the phone itself is made using dual color injection molding with an aluminum titanium alloy bracket. It is 5G and it also works with Wi-Fi 6. What about the price? Now the WP30 Pro is priced at $480 on Oukitel's official AliExpress store, but between November 11th and November 17th, it will be on sale for just $300. Hit the link in the description below to check that out or to purchase one. CPU and GPU. It runs on the Dimensity 8050 chipset, which is a new 3 GHz chip that was just announced May 9th, 2023. And it's got a Mali G77 MC9 GPU. Now I will show you some benchmarks after we get done with all the basic specs. Next, let's talk about the size and the weight. So it measures 177.4 millimeters long by 83.6 millimeters wide by 19 millimeters thick, or 6.98 inches long by 3.29 inches wide by 0.74 inches thick. And it weighs 413 grams or 0.91 pounds. Storage. It comes with 12 gigabytes of RAM on board plus 512 gigabytes of internal storage. Now the storage is UFS 3.1 with a read speed of 1,800 megabytes per second, and the RAM is LPDDR4X, which offers 15% increase in performance and 17% decrease in power consumption versus LPDDR4 RAM. Battery. It's got an 11,000 milliampere-hour battery that gives you 1,000 hours or 41 days in standby, 60 hours of calling, 40 hours of music, 13 hours of video, and 10 hours of gaming. And it comes with the 120 watt super fast charger that charges the large 11,000 milliampere-hour battery to 50% in only 15 minutes, to 80% in only 25 minutes, and it will charge to 100% in just 50 minutes. And it does support OTG reverse charging, so you can use it to charge other devices as well. Now let's talk about the durability. It is IP68, IP69K, dust-proof, and water-resistant, and it can be completely submerged underwater up to 1.5 meters deep for up to 30 minutes. And it is also rated military standard 810H drop-resistant. Now let's look at the displays. So it's got a 6.78 inch 120Hz FHD Plus IPS display running at 1080 by 2460 resolution and 430 nit brightness. Now that's the front screen, and on the back it has got a second additional 1.75 inch OLED touch display on the rear. Cameras. It has got a triple camera setup on the back with a 108 megapixel main camera, a 20 megapixel Sony IMX350 night vision camera, and a 5 megapixel macro camera. And on the front, it has got a 32 megapixel front facing camera. Now let's look at some of the other features. It's got 1217 dual box speakers and eSIM. and it comes with Android 13. Now it does have Face ID and NFC, and at the time of this video, it currently only supports official Google Pay payment for NFC at this time, but Oukitel does say that they might add more NFC options to it in the future. And it also features Bluetooth 5.2. Okay, so now let's take a look at some benchmarks. So as far as benchmarks go, it scored 809,271 overall with Antutu benchmarks in Oukitel's official tests. Now the Antutu 10 benchmark is a little bit different when you look at Nano Review's official scores, coming in at 741,299. And Nano Review's Geekbench 6 scores put it at 1,116 single core and 3,252 multi-core. Even so, it still vastly outperforms other chipsets such as the Dimensity 1080 that the Doogee V20 Pro runs on. Now, I was not able to get my hands on a WP30 Pro device to review personally this time around, and that's because I took too long to respond to Oukitel's email. So I decided to review this phone anyway, hoping that next time they do release a new rugged phone, they will send me one so I can do a full hands-on review for you guys. Final thoughts. Now, the most exciting parts of this phone to me are its Dimensity 8050 chipset, the large battery with 120 watt super fast charging, and the fact that it features eSIM. Then the dual displays, the 108 megapixel camera, the 20 megapixel Sony night vision, and dual box speakers are just another bonus on top of that. And the IP68, IP69K, and military standard 810H are also always great to see, of course. So who is this phone for? If you are looking for a large battery rugged smartphone that charges really fast, definitely check out the Oukitel WP30 Pro. Again, you can hit the link in the description below to check it out or to purchase one. But hey, what do you think of the WP30 Pro? And what would you like to see on a rugged smartphone from Oukitel in their next phone? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. Also, please do share this video if you found it helpful and you'd like to help this channel grow. And then you can click right here for another great rugged smartphone video. And I will see you there.